So we're going to go over the guided lectures. If you go into the modules and go all the way down to the guided lecture, it's worth a point. Oops, click on it and you will access everything through Canvas, through the modules. Click on it, and this is essentially just the lecture portion of it, right?
Let's review the learning outcomes for this chapter.
And you can scroll through it as fast as you want. Click around if you feel more comfortable. So it's, you know, it's a however you would like to have. She's talking over me. I don't like it. Be quiet. So you can tell that she's lecturing, right? And it's a PowerPoint presentation, and it'll go through the entire chapter. If you need, sometimes it's helpful to read the transcript while you're doing it. Just reinforces the information. And over here is the transcript. If you go over here to outline, that's the outline of what's coming up and the PowerPoint slides, and then this is the note. So this is exactly what she's saying during each one of the slides. Okay, and if you get through the lecture, you get a point. So you get a point for just sitting there and listening to the lecture. That was it.